I see your smile across the room. It lights the dark, it feels like June. Every heartbeat whispers your name, and I know my world won't be the same.
When you look at me, I feel alive, like the stars themselves begin to shine. Every word you say is a melody, playing softly just for me.
Can't imagine a day without you.
Every moment feels brand new, and I just
wanna say I love you more than words can show. I love you more than you'll ever know. Through every storm, through every sky, I'll be yours till the end of time. Hold my hand, don't let it go. We've got a love they'll never know. Through the laughter, through the tears, I'll stand with you for all our years.
Close your eyes, I'm right here too. Every dream I have begins with you. Through the night, through the light, I'll keep you safe, I'll hold you tight.
Can't imagine a life without this.
Every moment filled with bliss, so we just wanna say
I love you more than words can show. I love you more than you'll ever know. Through every storm, through every sky, I'll be yours till the end of time. Every heartbeat, every sigh, I'll be with you till we fly. Nothing can tear us apart. I love you from the heart.